It's loud. Mia. Oh, thank God I found you. It's me. It's Ethan.
Ethan?
What do you mean? What the hell's going on?
Daddy's coming. We need to go.
Daddy?
We need to go now! I can hear her. I can feel her clawing her way back inside of me. Get out! Leave me alone! I've been bad. I deserve this.
Where am I? What the hell?
Rise and shine, sleepyhead. It's time for supper.
Who are all you people? Where's Mia?
Dumb son bitch wasn't no good if it hit him.
Yes. Get him, shit, he's not eating the jacket.
Get the hell up, Marguerite.
Station for him.
Get the hell out of here.
You're a sus bitch. Oh, I can't believe me, son of a shit. He's not eating it.
A fucking pocket knife?
Oh boy!
The rest is just gone.
That's right.
You see, Ethan, not everybody wants to turn back the clock.
I know. Fucking password, right?
All right, what do you say we play a little game?
Kiss my ass!
Motherfucker, you're supposed to die. That was supposed to be for you, goddammit!
Lucky me.